After a 12-year-old is charged with first-degree murder, what are the next steps for prosecutors? Good evening and thanks for watching tonight. I'm Todd Blackington. The murder of Paul Danielson allegedly by his 12-year-old son is a case that is raising more questions than answers right now. And today we found out what charges Cord Danielson will be facing. Our Logan McDougall sat down with a pair of legal experts to see where this shocking case is now headed as we move forward. Logan?
Cord Danielson was charged with first-degree murder today, and they both say the case is complicated.
The first-degree murder charge is one of the most serious in all of American criminal justice. But when a juvenile is involved, the water becomes even murkier. One of the early decisions to be made will be to try Danielson as an adult or a juvenile. And Aaron Thompson, who defended convicted murderer Tori Adamczyk, says those two justice systems have very different aims.
The juvenile system it's more based on rehabilitation. When someone reaches the age of 18 and they have an objective understanding of the ramifications of a bad act, then there are other things that come into play, such as punishment for punishment's sake, protection of society.
And Thompson says the decision will come down to just a handful of people.
It's up to the prosecutor as to whether they want to pursue that, and then it is up to the juvenile court to make a determination whether it's appropriate in this case.
The courts will use the Juvenile Corrections Act as their guidebook for moving forward in the case. And Chief Deputy Prosecutor Vic Pearson says there are a number of criteria to consider.
We have to determine what's in the best interest of the community and the citizens of Bannock County. We need to look at the suspect that we're talking about waiving into adult court to make that determination.
The most recent case of a juvenile accused of murder was the 2006 murder of Cassie Jo Stoddard, but Pearson says that is where the similarities end.
This individual is 12 years old, and there's a big significant difference between a 12-year-old and a 16-year-old. I obviously can't go into the facts of this particular case, but it's hard to draw a comparison between this and the Cassie Jo Stoddard case. It's apples and oranges.
Now, if found guilty according to Idaho Statute 20-520, Danielson could be in state custody for an indeterminate period of time not to exceed the juvenile's 19th birthday, unless the Custody Review Board determines that extended time in custody is necessary to address competency development, accountability, and community protection, provided, however, that no juvenile shall remain in the custody of the department beyond the juvenile's 21st birthday. Now, Danielson's mother and the ex-wife of the victim, she has been contacted in Canada, and she is expected to be in Bannock County sometime tomorrow. Todd, back to you.
All right, Logan McDougall reporting for us tonight. Logan, thanks.